no mapping will take place. Your application will be kept pending. Then for that to include your name, what you have to do? The guidelines and conditions which they have given, yardstick which they have given is you have to produce your father or grandfather's voter's ID. For example, if you take my father died 40 years back. He is asking me to produce my father's voter's ID. My father who voted 40, 50 years back, then I should go and search where I will get. You will not get at all. Otherwise, I should get voter's ID or identification document of my grandfather. My grandfather, I have not seen my grandfather at all. I have not even heard. Where will I bring? 50, 60 years ago's documents they are asking us to produce. It is for the purpose of avoiding the voters. Very effectively, methodically, cunningly, BJP is doing this through Election Commission of India. They want to capture the whole election process. That is the reason they are doing. For this, the government of Karnataka, the decision which he has taken to have their own special intensive revision through ordinance, that we will welcome. Let other states also continue.